So now we are ready to go. So we begin with single-end sequences. So we start with prefetch and then we do fastq dump. So I say prefetch and then I indicate that session number. So there's a single-end read. So I have it there. So I run and then let's prefetch download the SRA files. Here you get SRA file and it's just one of them, I think. So we just wait. So download has been done. So if it's successful, you will have this text being displayed here for you. And you also have some information here. That's if you want to read more. So let's do an ls. And you see a directory has been created. So in this directory, you have the SRA file. So ls, and you have it here. So we can now move on to the next step. So let's clear the screen. And then we continue. So you will then use fastq dump to extract the fastq file. So we say fastq dump. We specify the session ID. And then that's it. So by default, it's using the split tray option. So single reads will be written. So we run it. And then it's done. So do an ls and you see your fastq file here. You can also consider maybe compressing it using gzip or other tools, but that's something we will do later on. So this is how we do it with single-end sequences.